Parrots are a diverse group of birds known for their colorful plumage, intelligence, and ability to mimic human speech and sounds. They belong to the Psittaciformes order, which includes over 350 species, such as macaws, cockatoos, and parakeets. Parrots are found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world, with the highest diversity in South America, Australia, and Africa. They vary greatly in size, from the small parakeets to the large macaws. One of the most unique features of parrots is their ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. This is due to their highly developed vocal cords and syrinx, which allow them to produce a wide range of sounds.